Hello everyone and welcome to my little kitchen. Today Anandi and Sayuri are down with flu. So in their place it's me, their mom, and I am my sister.
Hi,
So let's get started with today's recipe. What are we making today?
today we are making Chole Tikki.
Okay. Have you boiled the chole?
Yes, I have boiled the chole with, this is 1 cup chole,
Okay.
for which I have used 3 cups of water,
Okay.
half teaspoon of salt,
Mm-hmm.
1 bay leaf and 1 black cardamom,
Okay.
4 whistles on high flame and 10 minutes on low flame.
Okay. And after you boil it, you strain this,
I've
right?
strained this till at least for another 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. So the water should.
There should be no water.
There should be no water. Okay.
Yeah, and see
so
how.
I think this is a very important tip. There should be absolutely no water in this chole when we are making. Otherwise, it will make our tikkis very soggy and difficult to mold.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Start. The ingredients required are breadcrumbs, boiled potato, boiled chickpea, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 piece of lemon, kasuri methi, chaat masala, chole masala, coriander chopped, cornflour powder, chili flakes, salt, chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. First, we are adding the chole and the boiled potato. And we are going to mash it with a masher.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
So do we mash it very finely?
Yeah, medium finely, about 75%.
About 75%.
Yeah, because we are making tikkis,
Okay.
so it will be easy for us to make the tikkis even.
So as I'm mashing, since the chole has been completely drained, there's absolutely no water in it.
And they are boiled even very finely.
Yes, they boiled also very fine. So extremely easy to mash actually. Just a matter of 2 minutes.
There are 2 breads, which I have put in a mixie and just grind them.
Okay, so they're just normal
fresh bread. Okay. First we'll just add the half and then let's see how we go around it.
Okay.
Then we add the onion, kasuri methi, which gives a nice flavor, chaat masala, 1 teaspoon, chole masala, around 1 teaspoon.
So this is the ready-made chole masala?
Yeah, ready-made chole masala available in the market. Lots of coriander.
Yes, that is really a lot of coriander.
Yes. Cumin powder, half teaspoon.
Okay.
Coriander powder, half. Chili powder. Basically, this is Kashmiri chili powder, so it's not very spicy.
Okay.
It's for the color.
Okay. So the spice level
according to your taste.
And how it's in your family.
Yeah, we'll be putting chili flakes. Around, right now we are putting half.
Okay.
And then we'll see the taste.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
And now we are squeezing the lemon. Gives a nice tangy taste. And now we are going to mix everything together with your hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can I do it?
Yes.
All together. See, it's not at all mushy and it is just so. So I think this is another important tip that we do not use just freshly boiled potatoes. What we do is put them in the fridge and then use it so that the water content in it becomes less. I think this is done.
Yeah. Now just taste it.
Do we taste it?
Yes. Just to check the salt and the.
This taste. That's perfectly fine. I don't require anything more now.
So now let's make the tikkis.
Yes. Now we've mixed this, but I think a little bit of cornflour will be required. So can we add maybe a teaspoon should be good enough.
2 teaspoons.
1 to 2 teaspoons. Okay.
Yeah.
So depending upon how your potato is and how you're feeling it while you are kneading this. So anything between 1 to 2 teaspoons, okay. Do not add more than that, otherwise they will taste a little doughy. Yeah, I got a perfectly nice dry dough, not just sticking to my hand much as it was sticking before. And I will go ahead making our lovely tangy cheese. Yeah, I think it's a very nutritious tikki to make for your kids, for your family. Has proteins, has carbohydrates, and very tasty.
So we're going to make small tikkis. Okay.
Helping hand?
Yeah, please.
Just see, it's not even sticking up to my hand anymore. So I think it's a very good party snack also. You just bake it, keep it in the fridge, and just the last moment.
And you can freeze them as well. They stay in the deep freezer for around a month. Yeah. Okay, now let's fry them.
So
Are ready to be shallow fried. I want to give you one more tip. Once the tikkis are done, please keep them in the fridge for around 2 to 3 hours so that they become more crispy and they absorb less oil. Now let's flip the tikkis. Wow! They have become nice and crispy because they were kept in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Now again let's shallow fry for around 2 to 3 minutes and our tikkis will be done. I have fried them on medium-low heat. Now it's time to remove the tikkis on a tissue paper. They have become nice and crispy.
now they are done. They're nice and crispy, lovely brown color. And now we plate this. You can have this with green chutney, the tomato ketchup,
With mayo.
with mayonnaise, with anything that you like. But I would recommend tomato ketchup or a green chutney along with it. And lovely chole kebabs are ready. I hope you try it and do let us know how it turned out to be. Thank you so much.
To be served. You can serve them with mayo, tomato ketchup or any chutney of your choice. Hi friends, welcome to Anandi Cooking. मी माई
आणि मी रश्मी. आम्ही दोघी बहिणी. आम्ही नवीन चॅनल चालू करत आहोत ज्याचं नाव आहे आनंदी कुकिंग. आनंदाने स्वयंपाक आणि अचूक मोजमाप. मग का नाही होणार आपली रेसिपी खास. ह्याच थीमनी आम्ही येत आहोत. टेस्टी, यमी आणि मजेदार रेसिपीज घेऊन. सो ट्यून इन टू आनंदीज किचन. प्लीज
share, subscribe so that you are the first one to receive our videos. Bye!
बाय बाय. वाट बघत आहोत. जॉइन अस.